Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. I am Kristen, and today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here, and this is using the Morphe Jewel Crew palette. This is what it looks like. If you guys did not see my last tutorial using this palette, I'll link that down below. When I hauled this palette a couple months ago in my Ulta haul, my friend Nikki commented and said, you better do something with the oranges in this palette and the Urban Decay Heavy Metal glitter liners that I also hauled. So that is what I did today. So if you guys want to see how I got this whole look, then keep watching. First shade I'm going into is Rock Out, and I am just putting this in the crease. First, I'm going a little light with the shade just because it is kind of pigmented. And then now I'm really going in with the shade. So first I tapped off the brush, but this time I did not tap off the brush, if that makes any sense whatsoever. Next I'm going in with Chocolate Diamond, and I'm just really going to be adding this shade in the crease just to add some depth to the look. This shade, Chocolate Diamond, is a really good shade just to add some depth. It's also a really nice crease shade. I like it. It's a nice shade. So I'm just really blending that out and just making sure it looks good. I went in a couple of times. And now I'm taking this ColourPop blending brush with nothing on it just to really blend out the crease. It's a lot of blending. And next I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas in the shade Illustrate. I forgot to show this, but I'll link it down below. This is the first time I've used this to do a cut crease with, and I'm just blending it all out. But this is the first time I used this to do a cut crease, and I really did like it. I've been using it as an eyeshadow primer. Has a little bit of a learning curve, but I do really like it. It's a really nice product. I do enjoy it a whole lot. So I blended it out with a brush. Now I'm just blending it out with my finger just to make sure it's all good. And then I'm really cutting out that crease again with a brush. Now I'm going in with Stone Fox, and I'm just going to be patting this all over the lid where I applied Illustrate, or the cut crease canvas. This shade had a little bit of fallout, and it requires a lot of packing on to the lid. It works best if it's packed onto the lid. I wouldn't sweep it on. Again, learning curve. This is like kind of like a pigment in a way. I don't know. So I'm just blending everything out with a Morphe brush. And then I'm going back in with Chocolate Diamond. And I'm going to just really be cutting out that crease with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, just to really add depth there. This worked better if I patted it in the crease and then blended it out. Again, like I've been saying, learning curve. So now I'm just blending everything out again. So much blending. My arms actually hurt from blending, like my wrists, really, not my arms. So now I'm going in with the Urban Decay Heavy Metal glitter liner in the shade Starfire. And I'm just really applying this in the crease and just like halfway around the lid. This glitter is like gold, silver, orange, red. It like looks like fire. It is so cool. I absolutely love this glitter liner. It's gorgeous. So I'm just, like I said, just adding it in the crease a little bit, kind of just doing like a little flick at the end, as you can see. Now I'm going back in with Rock Out, and I'm going to just be adding this to the lower lash line just to really smoke everything out, just because I feel like it looked better with that. So I'm just going to finish up the rest of my face, and I am back. And then for lips today, I'm using this Milani lipstick in the shade 75 Matte Luxe. I actually got this at Walmart. It was in the clearance section, and it was like, I think it was like $1 or something. It was super cheap, but it's a gorgeous orange color, and I love how it looks with this whole look. It is super bold, but it's a really pretty shade for the summertime. And then this is the completed look. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're also following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye!